Hi, fifth graders. Today we are going to learn how to post our own audio using Vocaroo, a really great site that's easy to use. And we are going to also learn how to post that audio in a link on our class wiki. So you guys have already looked at this picture and discussed the questions at the top of the page about who was involved in the picture, what is happening, who has the power in the situation, what weapons do you see, and kind of guesstimating how many casualties, as in deaths or injuries, do you think there were from this incident. So after you have discussed this as a class, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here, and this is on the first lesson of our class wiki. So along the right, if you're not sure, you can go up here once you have the site, and it's on lesson 1 in case you're not sure. And you're going to go down here to step 2, and I am going to be telling you how to do this recording and where to post it. So the first step is we need to record it. So you're going to click on this, record at Vocaroo, and that will bring you to Vocaroo.com. This is so easy to use. You guys are really going to like it. So what you're going to do is you're going to post your responses to the questions I just mentioned, and those will remain on the smartboard so that you can look at them while you do your posting. You're going to record your personal answers, no right or wrong way to do that as long as you're using the picture for evidence. And then I'll show you what to do next. I'm going to do a short sample because I don't want to fill your brain with ideas about how you should answer the question. So I am just going to speak very generally about this picture. Obviously, you will answer those questions on the board. So once you're here, all you have to do is click on the click to record button, and instantly whatever you say will be recorded. So you need to be ready to go with those responses. If it's too noisy in the room, we can send kids out into the hall one or two at a time to do this as well, so there's not too much background noise. So here is going to be my sample audio. Just going to click to record. You might have to also press allow to allow for the microphone access. That's fine, just click allow. Hello and welcome to Ms. Horvath's Social Studies class. Today we are studying a piece of artwork, and it's a really famous piece of artwork. We are making some guesses about what's happening, and over the next days you will also investigate what actually happened at this important historical incident. In the spring, we will actually be able to have the opportunity to go see the site where this event actually occurred. I also pressed stop if you couldn't tell, all right, when I wanted to stop it recording. And you can listen to yourself to make sure that it's pretty good quality. It should be, as long as there's not too much background noise, so we'll just do a short listen. Hello and welcome to Ms. Horvath's Social Studies class. Today we are studying a piece of artwork. So that was pretty good audio. I'm happy with that. If you're not, obviously you can re-record, and that's fine. Take your time to, get it right so we can all understand what you're saying on this audio post. After you're happy with that, see where it says happy with this recording, click here to save. You're going to click right here to save. This will give you your own personal link. There's a number of sharing options. For our class wiki, we are just going to get the regular link. So there's different ways to do this. We can work on those later in the year for sure. So I'm going to take this link right here under sharing options, and I'm going to cut and paste that. You guys know how to do that. You can use the keyboard shortcuts or right click, and I'm going to do copy. And this gives me my own website where I can go and listen to this audio. So once you've grabbed that and you've copied that, you're going to go back to our wiki in lesson 1. And right here, you're going to click where it says post Vocaroo audio here. It's just another page on our class wiki. When you get to this site, you are all members, so you all have access to edit this. And remember our tips about responsible editing when we're doing group situations, whether it's in Google or on a wiki. You're going to press edit, so it will allow you to go in and change what's on this site. Now mine's going to be the first one here. I'll leave my sample up here for you guys, so you can just go wherever's next on the list underneath whoever had posted last. You're just going to type your first name and your last initial. I'm going to type mine, which is Ms. Horvath, but you guys would do, John B, Alex C, first name, last initial. And this, I want to turn this into a hyperlink. So you guys have had some experience with that, but just to refresh you, I am going to click and drag, or click and copy this, excuse me. And I want to highlight the whole name. You'll do the same thing with yours. And then I want to go up here to the top and I want to press link because I want to actually insert this link. And I want my name, when I click on my name, to have my Vocaroo audio pop up. After you've clicked on insert link, we actually want to put in a web address. So you're going to go in the middle here and you're going to click web address. We always want it to open up in a new window so we can go back and easily get to that wiki where we can see everybody else's links. So we're going to put that in a new window. The text I've linked is what I typed in already, Miss Horvath. So now I want to put the address in. So I'm going to move my cursor down here. I'm going to right click, or again, you can do your keyboard shortcuts, which would be Control V, and I'm going to paste my link in there. Once I've pasted that, all I need to do is click add link. And then you can see my name is linked with this site. Now we want to test that to make sure it works. So what you're going to do is click save, and that's important anytime you're working on the wiki to also press save. And that will bring me to a page that we can't edit, but we can surely test and see if it's working. So when I click on this, it should bring me to my posting of the audio I recorded. Let's see if it works. Hello and welcome to Miss Horvath's Social Studies. Sounds good to me. So now what I've done is I have this here, and then you will have all the names below. You'll be adding on your names as we go. We will be sharing these at the end of the day today, so make sure it's your best work. Make sure you're answering all those questions, giving your best opinion. And again, since we don't know what actually happened in the artwork, just do the very best you can. Can't wait to hear your Vocaroos.